How's it going, you guys? This is Dion. I'm Dad with a little extra. I want to do an unboxing with you guys with this Greenworks 40-volt lithium battery powered lawnmower that I just purchased last week. The house that we're renting is it's got a yard on it, which is cool, but it's not a very huge yard, so I didn't need anything that was just really big and massive and whatnot, because it just doesn't serve my purpose. So I did some research and I found this, as far as I could tell, to be the best option. Now, if you've never moved before, especially into a house, there is a lot that you have to do, a lot that you have to consider, and so for my purposes, this is what fit me the best, right? So we're going to use this, and my goal is to essentially have my sons mow the lawn, right? Because they can do it, why not? Why do I have to do it, right? So let's get into the unboxing. All right, let's go ahead and make this first cut. I'm right-handed, so let's come down here. Well, that's already open. Okay, well, let's make the major cut there. All right, what do we have? Put that off to the side. Let's get in here. So, you guys may or may not know at this point, I don't know when I'll upload some of these videos, but basically we just moved into this house about 2 weeks ago, right? So there's a lot, like I said before, that we need to take care of, things we have to consider, this, that, and the other. Okay, so that's the bag, right? So even though it's been 2 weeks, we're essentially still in the process of moving around. Right, so I think what I'm gonna have to do, this feels like it's got some weight to it, right? This might be the battery, but we'll just put this over to the side. This, I don't know what this is, because it's covered. I think that's the charger. Put that over to the side. And here she is. There's the instruction manual. Probably safety manual as well, so we'll get that. All right, we'll put this over to the side as well. And this is it. This is it. All right. I be struggling.
The struggle is real.
Thanks, sir. I thank God for my youngest son recording me take the mower out of the box, and I don't know what that video looks like. We're going to find out. Basically, that show.
We just have to press this down and pull.
Yeah, pull. Press down. Pull. Let go.
When it's turned off, you just need to pull it back. It also has this drive shift looking thing. I don't know what it does though.
It changes the height, man. Okay, we're putting it on 3. All right. All right. I want you guys to kind of see what's left here. Right here. This is just one side of the yard. I had my son, as you guys see, to kind of start us off over here, and he did a fairly decent job here. All right. So I should mention that the mower really handled its business. You know, it did pretty good, aside from the fact that it couldn't really get through the tall, thick grass. It wasn't really tall, it was just thick, right? So it had a few issues going through that. That's why the battery depleted so fast. But with constant maintenance, you know, coming out here every 2 weeks or so, whatever, I should be able to, this is perfect. This is fine for my needs here, you know? So with that, you know, you always do one thing and you find out that, hey, I got to do something else, or I got to fix that, you know. I need to get a trimmer, and I need to get an edger, and there's just certain things I want to get. There was one thing I want to get. I think it's called a leaf catcher. I want to get it. I think that'll be perfect here. However, the prices that I'm seeing are kind of expensive. I don't want to pay that much money for a leaf catcher. $300? I don't know, you know. But for my needs here, the Greenworks is perfect. It's fine. I'm just going to have to maintain it. So thank you guys for watching this, and I think we're gonna kill it here. You guys be good. Bye.